I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to open the scientific calculator on your Apple iPhone. Have you ever found yourself in need of a scientific calculator for school, work, or just day-to-day calculations, but didn't want to carry around an extra gadget? Well, your iPhone has a powerful scientific calculator built right into the Calculator app, and it's packed with features that can handle complex math problems with ease. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock and use the scientific calculator on your iPhone. Whether you're calculating trigonometric functions, logarithms, or just need more than the basic operations, this hidden feature will definitely come in handy. Now let's walk through the steps to open the scientific calculator on your Apple iPhone. Step 1. Open the Calculator app on your iPhone. Step 2. Position your iPhone so that it's in landscape mode. And just like that, you've got access to the scientific calculator on your iPhone. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.